Sharing college and taking off what cool.
Nursing.
Nursing.
Graduating student of nursing.
Yes, so you're planning to work at Brevis and not.
Isa mo, bunyera ka ha? Bunyera. Siya, salita ka na bunyera ka ha?
Punyak ka.
You should speak English, pura ka. Pura ka.
Yeah.
If you have a boy, you can
Do you want me to be your friend or would you like to bend me over and fuck me hard, man?
I just have a question to you.
Okay, what's the question, Justin?
Are you one of us?
Are you drunk? You are not gay.
Lalaki ka.
I am gay.
You're really a guy.
This is not a gay also.
Do you have a lover?
Lalaki pala talaga siya.
Hi, Miss Ray.
Kasi your name's not with two gays.
Ito hindi naman to gay eh. Ano lang siya, tripper. Tripper or bisexual.
Ay, hindi naman bakla yan. Sino mag-aakalang bakla? Unang tingin pa lang,
Babae.
adik na adik, di ba?
Saka makita babae pero ang itsura nag-iigil, di ba?
Favorite niya yan, Ate Leo.
Sister at yan ni Yoki.
How are you related to this? To this. Parang bagay lang to this. To that person.
To this,
How are you related to it?
to this group.
To them.
Because of Dota.
What?
That is computer game.
You know, nakilala mo sila sa game?
Yeah, true. And
True.
one more thing about
Online game?
Anas mo? Kasi tutuloy-tuloy na natin kasi may naantok na bakla.
Oo nga.
Tulong, itago natin siya sa pangalan
Hindi O sige, pakatay natin siya. Palakpakan po natin si Ace. Diba?
Sumasayaw sa loob.
Pero basta kasi bigla, Tapos mga dila mo naman mo dila. Ayan.
Bye.